You should have never trusted me.
He's dead.
The jump start his heart. 100 volts. Didn't work.
Oh
200 volts.
Oh no!
400 volts.
He's alive!
Charlie, where are you? Come here.